There are moments when the reflection staring back feels unfamiliar, burdened by unspoken doubts. A quiet whisper begins, a promise to yourself, for yourself. It's in those vulnerable spaces that true strength is forged, no matter who you are or where you begin. You don't need to announce your journey. Let your dedication be your secret. Every small step, every silent effort builds an unstoppable force within you. The world doesn't need to see the struggle, only the undeniable rise. And remember, this journey isn't defined by being him or her. This quiet strength belongs to everyone. Then, one day, you simply step forward, not with a shout, but with an undeniable presence. Your quiet work, your unwavering belief, now speaks volumes. Let your brilliance be the only statement you ever need to make.